In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your site on Google Sites. If you're currently editing a site and want to see what it will look like before publishing or sharing it, the preview feature is the quickest way to do that. It helps you check the layout, spacing, images, and overall appearance from a visitor's point of view, so you can catch anything that needs adjustment before your site goes live. To begin, open Google Sites and go to the site you want to work on. Make sure you're inside the site editor where you can see your page content and editing tools. This is the main workspace where you build and update your site. Once you're in the editor, look toward the top area of the screen. You'll find the preview icon there. Click the preview icon to open your site in preview mode. As soon as you do that, Google Sites will show you a live preview of the page. This gives you a much clearer idea of how your content will appear to visitors compared to the editing view. It's a useful step because sometimes elements can look a little different once they are displayed as a finished page rather than inside the editor. When you're previewing, take a moment to look over the page carefully. Check that your text is easy to read, your images appear correctly, and the sections of the page flow the way you expect. This is also a good time to make sure headings, buttons, and other content are placed where you want them. If something doesn't look quite right, you can simply return to the editor and make changes. Then open the preview again to confirm everything looks better. Many people repeat this process a few times while building a site, and that's completely normal. Previewing is really just a quick quality check that helps you feel more confident before publishing. One helpful tip is to use preview regularly instead of waiting until the very end of your project. That way, you can spot formatting issues early and avoid bigger fixes later. And that's all it takes to preview your site on Google Sites. Open your site, click the preview icon at the top, and review how everything looks. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in helping your site look polished and professional.